In this video, we will show the best body lotions in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Restore Body Lotion. At number 2, Himalaya Herbals Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. At number 3, Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow Body Lotion. At number 4, Dove Essential Nourishment Body Lotion. At number 5, Nivea Cocoa Nourish Body Lotion. At number 6, Nivea Extra Whitening Cell Repair SPF 15 Body Lotion. At number 7, the Moms Co. Natural Calming Body Lotion. At number 8, Dove Go Fresh Body Lotion. At number 9, Pond's Triple Vitamin Moisturizing Body Lotion. At number 10, Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Body Moisturizer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.